I love you.
Love you.
So,
Rolling. Action.
these past few months have been amazing.
Yep.
And I am 100% in love with you.
Me too.
So, I wondered, Madonna, like Papa Kasaka Basa again, will you marry me?
Got it.
Is that a yes?
Wait, I need a good answer. You know you want to.
Yes, I will.
You were making me wait for that one, weren't you? Okay, now you gotta take a walk with us.
Yeah, take a walk as soon as I get my flip-flops on.
I got color.
We're gonna take a walk.
Hallelujah, now I'm going to have a beautiful daughter. Praise
Hi.
the Lord.
Dad, I gotta get my flip-flops on.
Hurry up.